Welcome to this new project. It's a water reminder. What does it mean? That with simple devices, components, we can build something useful for everyday life. I used the Elegoo starter kit, and for this project, everything is already in the box. So we have an HSR04. It's a sensor to detect distance, and we use the two LED and the two resistors. The sensor detects the distance from a bottle of water, and it takes it, it counts how many seconds pass from the last time you drink it, and when it passes at least 1 hour, a red LED blink. So this device helps you to remember to drink water each hour. It's important when you have busy days and especially in summer. So let's see some of this device in action. So as you can see, I used a cardboard, and the device is there with the Uno R3 Elegoo. It's an Arduino Uno compatible. Now I plug the device, and as you can see, there is a white light. That means there's no bottle of water, and we need to put there. And now the device it will count how many seconds pass to 1 hour. Let's see now the explanation of the code. Okay, so in the beginning of the code, we defined 4 variables to define the pin on the device. So for the trigger pin, the HO pin that are for the sensor, and the 2 pin for the LED. Then I defined my status variable. That means that we have to know in which state we are. If we are drink 2, if there's no bottle visible for the sensor, or if we are just waiting, so it's okay. Then there are 3 variables: duration, distance, and the second passed, that we will see later. And we in the setup define the output and input for the device, and I created also 3 methods that will help to better understand the code of this device. So then we have the loop. We wait just 1 second, and we see if we must drink. So we lights on the drink pin. If we are drinking, so there's no bottle visible, we light on the bottle pin, the white one. In the other cases, we just wait, and we don't light on anything. So the next part is about the sensor device. So it's like a sonar, and it means that it uses the waves it generated from one side, and it try to calculate the time it makes to reach back the signal. So when the signal is generated and it bounces back, it takes some time. So the duration, so the first instructions are made for initialize the device. Then we call the pulsing to calculate the duration, and thanks to the last formula, we can calculate the distance that of the device with a simple formula. Now we are in the last part. So if the distance calculated for the sensor is less than 6 centimeters, and you can have different distance, it depends on which kind of device you build, and how far is the bottle and so on. So you have to calibrate. And if we are in the bottle is in place, we check if we are drinking. If we are drinking and the bottle is in place, so we return the bottle in the play in its place. So we have to just drink it, and we reset some variables. If not, we are just waiting, and so we calculate if it's past 1 hour, 3600 seconds. And if we are not in the distance, the right distance, so we are just drinking, and so my status is 3. So in the end, we have some variables to the bar. Let's see in the end how it works. So an hour is passed, and so the LED on the board is red, is lights on. So it's time for me to drink water. And now the bottle is not in place, so the LED white light is on. Then so I drink the water, and then I will put the bottle again in its place. So let's say that after that the bottle is there. So thank you for watching, and see you the next time.